in front of the church. I Si Chiang, my Si Chiang, Dorsey. This is how the new church looks like. This is the entryway and in front of the church. 예구서 매, 뭐 예구서 찍혔대요 형. 뭐 예구서 라지가. 뭐 예구서. 예, 잡았어.
สันดีก็เลยได้หัวก่อนเหรอชันล่าสวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีจ้าจ้าลาโบกาโมดายาบูจ้ากาโมดายาบูจ้าอ๋อฮอลโลแม่อะไรunder of the church yeah so they have like almost like stage so very nice left right this is Ngavi maluli yo mo ji shu te la dafta cha holo me la chi byo I mai e do so lo bo ye so te a ya holo te da pa cha bu yo ha vi le te a ya apa cha bu yo ha vi le te a ya ma pa cha bu ngõ cho nó hơi nhìn đi tao là welcome there yeah novella oh ngay biết sao muốn xem lại chứ my brother-in-law Moses come up with this handcraft handwriting yeah. So he will take me to the tour chỉ về là yami boda chỉ về là imao chỉ về yami về học pa mà Otano check kilo in mile. This is where you dormitory where you used to stay. My Chiang. This is where women's dormitory. Dormitory dorm. Oh, yummy. Oh. Chiều ta ít cho với gì là. สวัสดีครับลูกๆสวัสดีจ้าโอ้ชีวิตคนติจ้าวิลลี่bedroom in my they made some bigger restroom too bedroom what do you know về cái apa chabo là aka bok nó vậy ok chỉ biết dùng khao là chả vô tiêu chứ chưa chả vô rice hut it's been here for a while or something in my home they still got rice for the village people who donate love donation so the other side of the dorm is they extended they bought the land and they added some more building and the kitchen and restroom bathrooms also So this is where you used to stay for women's dorm, okay? My, and then here's our dishes where people eat, breakfast. Dishes already be washed. And I could think you still remember, all this time that you used to stay here. I don't know how many years you stay here. Okay, this is how all those tray dish or tray or whatever we call, where I think you still remember those younger days where they put. So I could just say it to you. Okay, those cups, spoon, so on and on. Here's the table for kitchen for children, students. It reminds me a long time ago. Father Giovanni is the body. We used to sit here and eat together years ago. And then this side is still doing the garden also between the boys, the dorms and women's dorm. They still doing the garden. They have how do you call children's center. Over cho nên là hiệp cái khẩn anh ba chân là hiểu là ở đây là phát triển đại rồi chân nào. Oh, okay. Oh, they say they don't do the children's center no more, are they? They do like training seminary and for other pastors, the other people like that. Yeah. Oh. So this is where they did the celebration like Christmas and other stuff like that for between the girls and boys dormitory. And then here's the garden planted by my nephew. My nephew, he's the, how do you call, like janitor here. And also he's the one who in charge mow lawn, planting all these gardens. It might look okay. So this side is the women's or girls dorms, and then when you turn around here is the garden, and then turn around here is a boys dorm. Okay, now we will walk this side. That's father or priest home right there where Father Giovanni used to stay. Chỉ cái cột tay cha vậy là. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. In my door, this is the old church. And this is the statue of Father Giovanni is the body. Long time missionary to Southeast Asia for the Hill tribes people. And then Father Giovanni. Okay, we are going to the old church right here. The old church is in front of the boys' dorms. So this is how, yeah, it got his name on it. Female Father Zebody House, 1972 to 2019. He just put this house as the old church as the, how do you call, a museum, library. You can see all this old his photo when he first started ministry. all the hill tribes people right here. May 60, 70 years ago. Very younger day. Okay, this is how the old church looks like. Look, all this old picture. When we coming here. Back in the day. Must be the first group. I'm not sure it's said 2000. I don't know what year. It's Buddhist years on the page. So this is how the old church looks like. The hall here. So, the old church hall is like this. So you guys remember, I think. Oh, this picture. The old church, okay, a lot. So the old church. So they just keep it as mini or other museum about him. Photos on the wall. 예. 오타테 니가 가위티 치 엉아 바니 치발리. So this side. 나 조파제자 돌아 저거 콜라로 거이라. Oh. This is where Pastor Salah Anu used to stay. They demolish and they rebuild Anu. Also, kotewa pateolako. Okay. So where the guests come in, they make guest house right here. A very nice, simple, like tiny house. So the mango trees still stay here over 50 years, 70 years maybe. The mango tree. See, this is how the old church looks like. I used to stand and take picture right here years ago. So this tree is getting old, so they cut it down. This is in front of the church, this side, okay? So they are right here at the gate. This is how the gate looks like. The gate this side. Okay, the door is locked. Imai, Ayla, and door. This is the gate where you come into the old church. The old one right here. So there's the boys. And then this side is where priest and father used to stay. And then their cars right here, car garage for father's car. This is all the pickup truck that they take students to go to school bus, like, you know. And then there's a 4x4. They drive to remote area to do the outreach. So where they go to countryside where the muddy, they drive the, how do you call the 4x4, the 4x4 off road. And then these are the take the student to go to school and come back. And then there's a father's house where they stay. And all those mangoes tree and a palm tree. Precious memory. The old church looks very, very small. compared to very, very many years ago. Okay, right here when I look down to other side where women's dorm and boys this side. This is where used to be pastor and news resident. The old house be demolished and rebuilt it to be guest house right here. So now there's the boy. Okay, that's the boys' dorm. And like you say, second floor. So let's try to go up to second floor. Let me go up and see. Okay. Okay, this is the stairwell you used to walk up and down, and I lock a door. Okay. Now you can see that's where Salah and Nu used to stay. Rebuild it to be guest house. Okay. Okay, now you can see. This is where the bed for those boys. Boys dorm bed, you know, for the students, for boys. Okay, we will come this side. Bathroom. The classroom. Classroom 1, 2, 3.สวัสดีครับลูกๆ a lot of students สวัสดีครับลูกๆ สวัสดีครับดีครับสวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับ love students ชั้นปออะไรครับ okay first and second grade first and second gradeท่านนี้ปออะไรครับ fifth grade student
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับปออะไรครับ
พ่อครับม.3 ครับ
okay so 6 and 9 grade มีม.3 คนเดียวใช่ไหมนะครับอ๋อมีนักเรียนผู้ชายเท่าไหร่ตอนนี้ในห้องนี้ครับไม่ใช่ถ้าหอพักท่านี้มี
ชาย39
อ๋อthey said they have 39 boy students here 39 when you look at this side there's Salah Moses house and they already demolished half of the guest house so, and when I look down there okay this is the overview over there the sky of those buildingsสวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับand girl student so they have a piano class too they teach student the piano keyboard too so all the children can go back and do the ministry back in the village too so they have the music class not like before no more yeah they do everything สวัสดีครับลูกสวัสดี okay the boys bed so you can tell one more time so I will go where the boys bathroom okay this is the boys under the house under the dorm in my and the let me go look the shower place okay and doors here is the shower the shower room where they take shower. Of course, no hot water in Thailand, just normal plain water. And videos long, so I just take a little faster. And then here's Takot view. Okay, here's the bathroom and where they dry clothes, laundry place. So the soccer field, this size where they can play soccer. Soccer field, okay. So they buy some more land over there, extend the other side. This is soccer field, okay. It can be one big soccer field or a couple small one. Yeah, still got a lot of land. And then over the other side where the wall, and from the wall to the other side, they bought some more land. So anyway, sisters, they built the house over the other side. There's a water tank for the sister center, the nun center. So okay, the video is getting long, over 20 minutes, so I will better stop. Okay, here I learned but the thing I got most of the video and picture. Here is the volleyball field, mangoes tree and fruit trees, and those big trees still stay here. Okay, yeah, the big tree, and over there a tamarind tree. Okay, I will close up. Okay, right here, that's all the one circle. I try to make it show as much as possible. Alright, thank you for everybody who watched, and then God bless those people who's watching, and precious memories over 50 years ago.